Alright guys, so today we're filming from Hollywood Beach. We just went for a nice dive in the water. Water was good. Temperature is like 84 today. But right now we're gonna go to La Tub. It's a nice waterfront restaurant where you can get some fat Angus beef burgers, some nice drinks, crab legs if you want. Just try to cross from Margaritaville. Oh, I got a surprise for you guys. We're gonna go to visit a haunted hotel. It's a famous Hollywood Beach haunted hotel, built in 1925. Al Capone has history there. There's ghosts on the second floor where him and his goons used to hang out and stay, and also on the 7th floor they got some ghosts, but they say those are calm ghosts. They're not violent. So we're gonna show you guys later. All right guys, so now we're here at La Tub, sitting down at the waterfront. Is that a watermelon? That's a melon.
Yeah.
So some tarpons in here, some stingrays, Corona. She got the light. All right, I'll show you guys later. Oh, cheers. Salute. So these are the burgers. She got the Swiss Angus beef burger with the wedges. I got the American cheese, which is not healthy, but yeah. But look how fat these guys are. Big boys. So Haagen-Dazs, we like Haagen-Dazs, but what do you call it?
Eso mismo.
She works for a German company, so she knows how to say Haagen-Dazs correctly, supposedly. Yeah. Haagen-Dazs. She swears she's all that. Look at her. Ow, bow, chicka, bow, wow. Hey, hey, hey. So, whoever's a movie buff, I'm gonna show you a plaque, right? This old movie called Porky's. It's a comedy filmed in Florida, and my uncles used to play it when we were kids, and we should have never been watching that, but we watched it. It's a funny movie, but it's very fresh for kids. Kids should not be seeing that. It's called Porky's, and I'll show you where they filmed one of the locations. The plaque is there, so we'll see. You got some more restaurants over here. Istanbul. So Istanbul. Golden Sand. Again, I'm gonna end up lowering the music or muting this thing, switching it up to some other type of music because of what's playing in the background. So, tables. This is another Peruvian restaurant. Pero tú eres dominicana. Yeah. She's promoting a Peruvian restaurant, but of course I know the accent, and my wife knows it because she's Dominican. So I'm like, well, you're Dominican too? Crazy. Oh, I took my wife here to get something to eat. What was it for? What day? Was it your birthday? Was it your birthday? So I brought her here to get some food. I don't know why I'm talking, because I think the music's gonna have to be shut down so I don't get a strike. I can't hear the words too much, only the beat, so we'll probably be okay, because all the reggaeton beats sound the same. Mamacitas. They used to have a drink called rompeculo. Excuse my language, but that's the name of it. It's a big fish bowl, margarita fish bowl with 2 Coronas in it. They call it rompeculo. So this is a private property here, not a hotel. A lot of Canadians come down here, the snowbirds. Look at that water. I feel like going back in there. So yeah, we're walking towards the Hollywood Beach Hotel. This old legendary hotel, which was built in 1925, and then at one point it was like a hospital. They used it as a hospital, so this thing is really haunted. Al Capone used to stay there. Room 202 on the 2nd floor. Look at this thing. Let me change the subject. All right, so this is where they filmed part of Porky's. Right there, they filmed Porky's here. I'm gonna have to lower the music because they had Biggie playing in the background. Again, if you want to buy some swimwear, anything for the beach, don't go to the stores in the Broadwalk. They're too expensive. Wings got some good prices. A mango CBD drink. Oh, you guys who like hookah? There you go. Red Pelican. Red Pelican. Bar and Hookah Lounge. Logan. All right, so here we are. The Hollywood Jewel. The Hollywood Hotel, which is a legendary haunted hotel. Right there. What the hell is that at the top on the roof? Oh, that's a guy. I'm like, what is that? I thought it was like a statue or something. So I might have to lower the music. See there. Built in 1925 and then used as a hospital. I can't remember the year. They also had a mall called Ocean Walk. And I'm gonna show you, this thing is deserted. There used to be people living there, like people on welfare or I don't know, low income, but they got rid of that. I know people have purchased some of these units and are renting these out for cheap. Yeah, I'll show you now. This thing is deserted. It would be amazing if they rebuilt it and redid it again.
Please don't get me, man.
I got you. So we're gonna go in. Look at the old pool. This is so old. Look at the chairs. Those chairs are so old. They don't even make those chairs anymore. So there's still a sign there that says Ocean Walk, but that side is closed. I'll show you. There used to be a mall there. There's the spot inside the lobby area where you can get bike rentals for cheap. Really inexpensive. This is recently opened because that was shut down for a while. Oh, we locked the doors. Nope, it's open. So look guys, this is one store shut down. This is an entrance. Another restaurant. Look at the front of the restaurant, how nice. But it's shut down. No business. You see the wood, the entrance, really nice. If they were to update this place, bring in new traffic, this would be amazing over here. See? There's a store here, this abandoned store where they had like plans and old pictures. Plans and old pictures. Back here. Right here, they still have pictures. Look at this. Old pictures of the hotel. That's the entrance. Old. They still have plans in there and everything.
1953.
No picture of an old postcard from 1953. Make sure you pause and read it. Leopard bench. So yeah, they had everything in here. Restaurants, shops. You know what they got rid of? The bike store.
Yeah, it was right there on the corner.
Oh, I just spoke to you guys about a bike shop where you can get bike rentals for cheap. It was right here. It's not even there anymore. Right there. See, all this would be amazing if they bring it back.
The little snack.
Oh wow, they got rid of the little
Yeah,
like a coffee shop, right?
Something like that.
So there was a little coffee shop here too.
They have the menu there.
Yeah, the menu's still here. Yup. It used to be right here. They got rid of that. Wow. So this is where the mall was on this side. Look how cool this is. This is just abandoned. I would go upstairs, but there's some people upstairs working. I've walked upstairs before.
You gotta go the other way.
See, this used to be a little mall. Hold on, I'll show you. There used to be a gym. Remember? Do you remember there was a gym back here?
And a Chinese restaurant.
Look at this. Chinese restaurant. Wow. Abandoned. Another restaurant that was there disappeared. Ocean Walk. I went up there before where my wife stayed down, but she stayed down here. Why you stayed down here? I went up there. I would go up there, but she's scared. Oh, look at this old piece of furniture. Wow. Look at this. That's old. Real wood. Capucci Cafe. Yeah. Oh, look at the wheels. Yeah, guys. An iconic hotel. Look at look what it came to. Look what it is now. More restaurants. Over here. So look at the ceiling. Look at the architecture. Look at the lamps. See the tin ceiling? The lamps. Those are the original lamps. And the tin ceilings. The lamps.
The elevator, when you look at
Oh yeah.
this way.
Look at that. That's it. They still have payphones. What? Let's go up. Hello. Yeah. So we had a rude security guard just tell us that we can't come here because we don't live here. But anyway, so we've been up here before. I bet you she didn't ask that guy. That's all right. We'll come back another time. Yeah. I've been to the second floor
Many times.
many times.
Yeah. Many times.
That's all right. We'll come back again. We'll revisit this.